So today nag-crave kami ng silog, the classic Filipino trio, egg, ham, and tocino. So this is perfect for busy mornings, especially kung may lakad kami. Ito yung niluluto ko kasi it's super easy and convenient. So i-ready na natin ang ating pan and let's preheat it. So first up, let's fry some eggs. So traditionally, sunny side up yung niluluto nila. But I'm gonna go for scramble. So kayo nang bahala kung anong bet ninyong lutuin sa eggs. So inuna ko siya dahil ayaw kong mag-mix yung flavors ng tocino at ham sa eggs. So next is the Wiener Cook ham. So this is my favorite affordable ham. So this is known for its tender and juicy texture with a sweet and sour pineapple taste. So gusto ko siya na medyo tostado to bring out the flavor. Pero hindi naman yung sunog. Then my all-time favorite tocino, the CDO Fantastic Chicken Tocino. So hindi muna tayo magpo-pork ngayon. As long as ako yung kusinera, no pork diet muna siya. So this is easy to cook lang, no need to boil. Just toss it in a pan over medium heat. So while waiting for it to caramelize, ilagay muna natin sa microwave ang ating tirang food kagabi. So ito yung chinaro natin. So ayan na, crispy na siya and juicy. So kunin na natin siya. So this is my finished product, char. Ganito siya kayami tingnan. So perfect na perfect siya with the view. So I hope you guys try this at home and see you next time. Bye!